And my name is Peter Wolfing. I'm the owner and CEO of UltimateCycler.com. Over the next few minutes, we're going to give you some detailed information that you can use to make an informed decision as to whether or not you want to take this a step further. Now, we're supported by our parent company, which is Multiplex Systems. We're a 14-and-a-half-year-old Better Business Bureau-rated A-plus company based here in the U.S. Over the last 14 and a half years, we've started and run and continue to run many successful networking companies all over the world, totaling over 500,000 members. So not only do you have a new program starting with Ultimate Cycler, you have the stability of a company that knows what it's doing. That goes a long way when you're trying to build a business long term. Now, we have a certain mechanical system here that you can plug into regardless of your income, socioeconomic background, or skill level. We have thousands and thousands of people joining our program worldwide, so you can do it too. Now, the reason why we think this is going to be so successful and have hundreds of thousands of people join this program is, frankly, very simple. We've done it before. We have programs that we've built over 4 years, has over 265,000 members. So we think this can do the same thing too, and then some. We've cherry-picked the best of many of our programs out there, and after speaking to tens of thousands of people over our course in business, 14 and a half years, and my personal experience in networking, 22 years, and put the best in the Ultimate Cycler program. So let me give you some details. Now, we have a digital product. Okay, a digital product means that we can use this product to be able to increase the payout that you're able to earn as you produce and bring in money. Now, what we've decided to do as a company is to give 100% direct pay to the members. You're like, what does that mean? Well, 100% direct pay means that the members pay each other directly. It does not go through the company. Well, how do we do that? Well, the first thing, as I mentioned before, is we have digital products. Now, a digital product is not something like a lotion, potion, pill, something like that you might have a company ship out for you. Now, if you have a physical product, obviously there's cost inherent with that for the company, postage, mailing, boxing, shipping, administration, and so on. We eliminate that through a digital product, so once we create the product or purchase the product or make it available to you, we authorize you and give you the right to sell the product and keep 100% of the proceeds. We don't care if we have 1,000 or 100,000 or more members in the program. It's the same cost to the company. So ultimately, we wipe out the cost of the product and put it into the compensation plan. The second thing that we really have learned how to streamline is the payroll process. The company does not do any payroll because the members pay each other. Many years ago, we realized that direct pay is where it's at because we can use direct pay technology and programming to allow the system to tell the members who to pay, how much to pay, what methods of payment they accept, and so on. So as you refer people or they come into your organization, the system is going to tell them who to pay, what methods of payment they accept, and so on and so on. So literally, after you join the program, you can be getting paid within minutes and someone joining your program. It is astounding how fast that can work, and we have many thousands of people to prove that. You can't get better than just direct pay. Now, because of the digital product and because we streamline the payroll process, we're able to have a 100% net payout. Now, we've done that successfully in many of our programs for over 8.5 years, so we know it works. Now, how does a company make money? Well, the company uses a franchising concept to be able to earn money also and support the system. Okay, as you're successful in our program, the system has upgrade fees of only $10 when you upgrade and are successful in the program. I'll go into that in just a moment. Now, I want to be brief here because this is just a basic overview call. Now, as you come into the program, it's only $25 to get started. $25 to be in your own business that can generate tens of thousands of dollars, and this is how it works. We use a 2x2 cycler-based system. Cycler-based system means that you work with 2 people directly below you, numbered 1 and 2 from left to right, and they work 2 people directly below them. Underneath number 1 is 3 and 4. Underneath number 2 is 5 and 6. So essentially, out of every 6 sales, you keep 4 of those sales, and you get 100% of that money, and you get paid directly. So every 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th person in your matrix, they are paying you directly, and you're getting that directly into your bank account. That's pretty astounding. Now, there's a number of different ways you can fill up your matrix. We won't go on that on this call here. You can find out about that from the person who invited you or on one of our corporate calls or training sessions. We also have factors like spillover and a follow your sponsor system as well too. But the key thing is anyone landing on your second level, you're getting paid instantly and directly. As you cycle from the system, you're going to have your people, the people that you personally refer to the system, they are going to cycle and come back to you with our Follow Your Sponsor system, thus helping to populate your matrix over and over and over again. There are no split boards in this program, so everything rises to the top as people follow their sponsor. Now, we have multiple entry levels to the program as well, too, $25, $50, $100, $200, $400, and I'm sure we'll have entry levels above and beyond that as we progress and grow the program. So as you do this and you start to duplicate the process of finding people, finding two, and help them finding two, that geometric progression begins to happen, and those people are sending you 25, 25, 25, 25 over and over again. Now, as you duplicate this with your members, you teach them the principle of leverage, leveraging yourself into another level. We also have a $50 matrix where you can take some funds out of your profit, go into the $50 level, and obviously get more product, and thus your people that you bring in will follow you as well too, and thus increase the potential that you can earn more and more money. As they land on your second level in the $50 matrix, you're making 50 times 4, or $200. You do the same thing for the $100 matrix. They land 100 times 4 on your $100 matrix, giving you $400. 200 times 4 on the 200 times 4 on the $200 matrix, and 400 times 4 on the $400 matrix, totaling 2468, and $400 matrix totaling $4, $8, $12, and $1,600. Each time you cycle, you're putting one payment back in the system, which essentially is our residual income. There are no monthly fees in this program. You do not pay a residual every single month, but this cycling affects and acts like a residual, but it's even better than that because you're cycling, people can be paying you multiple times per month, which is much better than a one-time residual. So our products include digital products, which are mobile-based apps, a Christian app called Christian Motivator, a motivation app called mobilemotivate.com, and also a finance-based app which will teach you about finances, which is called the Cheapskate Method app. We also give you support products for $25. We have a $195 included lead scraper, which you won't have to worry about leads ever again. Just put it on your desktop and let it run. It'll pull out leads from the Internet. We have a phone broadcasting platform valued at $500, included for free. We have an included lead package, which is our lead capture page system, okay? A lead capture page system with an autoresponder system up to 19 messages, and our lead capture page system is a top-notch system with 8 lead capture pages, and that is also included. Many of those systems are going for $10 to $30 per month, and that's included with our system. We have a banner ad system in the back office where you can promote anything that you'd like, and that's included for the $25 program. Now, as you cycle and increase and going into the other levels in the program, you earn credits in our back office, which you can use to be able to put in the banner ad system and soon to be our shopping cart system for digital products and so on. So you have a system that is second to none. Now, I can't cover everything on this short phone call. Get on one of our corporate calls. Get on our website. Go to our lead capture page system from the person that introduced you to this call. They'll be happy to answer any more questions that you may have in the program and get started today. Hey, $25 for almost $1,400 in usable products that you can use for promotion of Ultimate Cycler or promotion of anything you may be doing as a feeder type program or something that can jumpstart your income. 25, 50, 100, 200, 400, coming over and over and over again. You can see that can be sizable income, hundreds and thousands and tens of thousands of dollars each and every month, and we have plenty of people doing all of that. So thank you very much for coming on this call. Again, get on one of our corporate calls. Get back to the person who introduced you. They'll be happy to answer any more questions for you. This is Peter Wolfing. Thank you very much for getting on the call. Look forward to seeing you real soon. Bye for now.